Hello, when I am not wearing a scarf, these are some of the ways I style my hair. So what I'm doing is wetting the hair properly so as to make combing and detangling easy. I also use a leave-in conditioner and then hair oil or any natural oil available. In this case, I am using the aloe vera oil, of which I cannot categorically say yet if the oil is helpful to my hair in any way. I am just using this so I can feel like I am making an effort handling my hair. After massaging the hair properly, I then begin with my styling, and of course, styling gel to the rescue. So any regular styling gel is what I use really, and then I just put in the gel as much as I know is required or necessary for the style. And so the styling begins. Enjoy! Come on now, look at my hairline. By hairline, I mean my edges. It's almost getting to the middle of my head. Thank you, postpartum hair loss, and every other thing that comes with it. In all fairness, I've always been one with very scanty edges or hairline, but man, this one hits me so hard. But then again, we move, right? As you can see, I have successfully styled my hair into a small ponytail, of which I braided the tips and now turned into a small bun. This is going to be my base for some of the styles I will be doing. The next step is tying my hair with a silk scarf or something of similar fabric. This step is very important so as to help the hair sleep nicely or put it in shape. I usually will have the scarf on for a good amount of time, so if I have an appointment say in the afternoon or say 30 minutes or 1 hour before my appointment, I would have styled my hair and then just have the scarf doing other things around the house until my appointment time. Now, can you see how it is nicely in place, right? So this is step one, or style one. I would say one of the way I style my hair is this: I just have a hair bow and then we're good to go. Take the pose to see. Okay, ma'am, that's enough. On to the next. The next is this wig I got. You can get something similar to this anywhere online or wherever you shop for your wigs, right? I like that this wig is styled this way, so it helps with distracting my scanty edges or hairline, if you know what I mean. So this is another way I get to style my hair. I ensure it is fastened properly, all clips are clipped properly, and I double down with pins to avoid story that touch. I can't have my wig flying around or falling off my head. You don't want that to happen. So this is another style and I really like it. Yeah, there goes the pins. Very, very important. And I sprinkle some accessories here and there like this hair band, and then do some finer touches here and there, and then we're good to go. This will be style 2. Let us call this style 2. And that's it. Okay, prof, giving some nerdish style, huh? There you go. On to the next style. What I am doing right now is making a partition. So I am parting the hair and then wet it, put in some oil at the spot where I made the partitioning just to keep the hair moisturized, do some combing. Basically same routine, same old routine. Gel goes in, brushing to keep in style, tying it up again with a silk scarf to keep it in place, and then that's it. So it's basically what you are seeing. So look at me trying to cover up that hairline. The struggle. Well, I must say it looks good. It's not bad at all. Making my ponytail again. Tying it up for some time. And now we wait. Yep, peace. Now that I feel the hair is dried enough, this is how it came out. And one of the fastest style is having my hairband on. Oh, I like this one with the partitioning. Look at how it looks. This lady is such a beauty. Wow. Another way I style my hair is with this coily ponytail. I like that it is with a drawstring, making it easier for me to wear it. It has the drawstring and then it has these two clips inside. You can see the two clips inside. This way I can get to clip the wig on my hair and then fasten the drawstring appropriately or properly, so to say, just to ensure that it is nicely fastened around the small bun I already made with my hair. After I am sure that everything is fastened properly, the next thing I do is take some hair from the wig itself and then nicely tie it round, or more like wrap it round the ponytail itself, so as to distract the meeting point where I already clipped the wig to my hair, trying to make the hair look neat and less clumsy. And that's it. These are the few ways I style my hair if I am not wearing my scarf. And by the way, I have scarf tutorial videos and turban videos where I show you different ways to style your turban or style your scarf. You should check it out to gather inspirations, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Yours truly, Princess.